Good morning. First one of the day, Bonneville 1200. We all know who this belongs to. Unfortunately, it's been stored up for a few months while he's been enjoying the sunshine in lovely Australia. So now time to do a little Trott magic on this. We'll get all these exhausts polished up. You see nuts and bolts are furring up. It's literally going moldy in places. So we're going to do one of our legendary full Monty valets on this. Once it's all cleaned up, we'll get a nice fresh misting of the XCP clear coat on it so as to keep any corrosion at bay. We'll polish up these exhausts like new. I did do a ceramic package on this a couple of years ago, so we'll top that up. See all this, it's all furring up. Even the spindle nuts. She's looking very sad for herself. So time to work a little Trott magic, get it looking like it should. Give us a couple of hours. Well, there you go, just over 2 hours. This Triumph Bonneville has been fully trotted. Oh my God, this thing is looking sweet. One of our legendary full Monty valets, polished up all that exhaust, XCP all over it. Got all those spokes scrubbed, each and every one of them. Chains all been serviced. All the inner disc rings all been cleaned up, even polished up the rear spindle nut. Everything's had a good coating of XCP. Single stage polish on that tank. She is looking sweet. Get yours booked in now. 07966 249 963.